Chapter 8 Probability. Today we are going to learn addition theorem of probability. In this theorem we have to prove two subdivisions. They are, the first one is, if A and B are any two events, then P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Then the second one is based on three events A, B and C. If A, B and C are any three events, then P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Look at this Venn diagram. Here A and B are two events in a sample space S. If A and B are two events in the sample space S, then what about this portion is called S? This is only A. And this one is A intersection B, and this part is common between A and B. This is A intersection B. And what about this one? This is only B. Here we have three events, that is only A intersection B and only B. And it's very clear that there is no common sample point between these events. Then what is the name of this event? Yes, these are called mutually exclusive events. So let us prove this one. Let A and B be any two events of a random experiment with sample space S. From the Venn diagram, we have the events only A intersection B and only B. Only A intersection B and only B. Are mutually exclusive. When we take the union of these three, what will be the answer? Union of only A intersection B and only B is nothing but A union B. So here we can write it as these three are mutually exclusive events and their union is A union B. Therefore, we can write it as A union B is nothing but the union of these three events, that is only A union A intersection B union only B. The union of these three events. Now we are going to take probability value for this one. Therefore, probability of A union B is equal to probability of only A union A intersection B union only B. We have already learned that probability of union of mutually exclusive events is equal to sum of probability of events. So based on this, we can write it as sum of the probability of the events only A intersection B and only B, because these three are mutually exclusive events. So you can write it as P of only A plus P of A intersection B plus P of only B. So what's the formula we have learned for P of only A? As P of only A is nothing but from P of A, we have to remove that intersection part, that is P of A minus P of A intersection B. Write the second one as such, P of A intersection B, and this P of only B is from P of B, we have to remove that intersection part, that is P of A intersection B. So from this we can cancel this minus P of A intersection B and plus P of A intersection B. So which is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So therefore P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Hence proved. Is it clear, students? Yes. Let's move to the second subdivision. The second subdivision is based on three events. So we can write it as let A, B and C are any three events of a random experiment with sample space S. The second one is we have to prove that P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Let us write the left hand side of this one. Proof P of A union B union C. So let us take this B union C as D. So let D is equal to B union C. In order to simplify this one, we are taking this B union C as D, which is equal to, in the place of B union C, we are going to write now D, P of A union D. So what's the formula to find P of A union D? Yes, this is P of A plus, so this is based on this formula, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now here in the place of B, here we are written as D. So we have to write it as P of A plus P of D minus P of A intersection D. Now this is in simplified form. Now we can substitute this B union C in the place of D, which is equal to P of A, then P of, in the place of D we are going to write now B union C minus P of A intersection DS B union C. We already learned that in set language P of A intersection B union C is equal to P of A intersection B union A intersection C. Which is equal to P of A plus P of this B union C. Again we can expand this one, P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C. Now In the place of P of A intersection B union C, we are going to substitute this one minus P of A intersection B union A intersection C. Is it clear, students? Yes. Which is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C. So now here this A intersection B, we are going to take it as A, and this A intersection C, we are going to take it as B. Now this is based on the formula P of A union B. So now we can write this one as minus P of A union B. The formula is P of A. Here A is A intersection B plus P of B. Here B is A intersection C minus P of A intersection B. So A is A intersection B. Intersection B is A intersection C. Which is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C. Now we are going to bring this negative sign inside the bracket. Minus into plus is minus P of A intersection B. Minus into plus is minus P of A intersection C. Minus into minus is plus P of A intersection B intersection A intersection C. So we already learned that this P of A intersection B intersection A intersection C, the left hand side of this one is nothing but P of A intersection B intersection C. So now we are going to substitute this left hand side here, that is P of A intersection B intersection C. Now we can write this as P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of, now we can arrange in order, this A intersection B first, minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. So P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Hence proved. Is it clear, students? Yes. Thank you.